Okay, so here you can see your template for the UCP clasp is also here. So what I would do would be this is a template now, now that we've added our own code. So you can duplicate this as many times as you want to play around with it. So let's just duplicate it here and just call it like test and rename. So for any section here, all we're doing is you just double click on here, and that will let you sort of type in whatever new text you want, and then you hit save and close. So the same goes for each of these sections. So just double click, and there you've got your text to play around with, save and close, and that is the same for each of these sections. Also, if you don't want a section, you can just remove it here, which will remove this section, or you can add another section. If you want to duplicate this section here for some reason, you just hit the plus sign below it, and then that will give you that extra section which you can, save and close. And the same goes for each of these sections. So you may want to, in fact, just remove all of these and just have this section with the image and then the footer section. So you may not want that one for one particular email campaign, or you may want it. So it's up to you. Now to change these links, you just click on edit here. Double click. There's your button there, and this indicates the link here, so you can put your link here. That's just putting it to your website. Sometimes you may have a blog post on your site, or something else you want to link it to, so that's where you sort of do that here. And then of course hit save and close. And basically that is it, essentially. I don't know why you may want to change some of these. Again, just double click. You can click up here, which will sort of let you have access to the source, just in case you want to change something there. I don't see any reason that you would. You might want to change the color of whatever it is, but anyway, for now, it's good enough just to know that that is there. And again, just save and close. So once you've done that, you can basically, it's already saved for you. So if I go into here again, back into the templates, you'll see the test, and those changes will be made with the two sections and whatnot. And then preview and test, send a test email, send a test to whoever you like, and then hit send test, just to sort of test a few things. But the idea is you have this template to duplicate around, keep this one here, and just duplicate it as many times as you want, playing around with it until you get the layout that you like.